Okay guys, so I have not done a lock journey video yet. I did do it when I initially started, just to kind of show you my hair damage and how I went from severely heat damaged hair. And refer back to that video. I'll link it right here so you guys can go back to that and know how I had heat damaged hair and how I went about even like going on this journey for locks. But that's in that video. But in this video, I'm actually going to be dyeing my hair. So I have actually been locked for, I think, over a year now. No, 2 years, sorry. I have been locked for 2 years now, since November 7th. And I'm finally dyeing my hair. And I haven't dyed my hair since like 2016, I think, or 2017. So it's been a while. So I have like no color in my hair at all. And so it is not freshly washed because you're not supposed to dye your hair with freshly washed hair. And now I'm just gonna show you what colors I'm using. So I kept seeing videos on how nice this color looked on locks. So I didn't want a ginger, but then I didn't want like full blonde either. So this is the color that I'm gonna be using. This is the Dark and Lovely Sun-Kissed Brown, so number 377. So I did buy 2 boxes of this because I do wanna do my whole head, and I'll be starting from the ends going up because I don't wanna do my roots. I kind of want like a natural like ombre effect, so it gets dark all the way to light. And so yeah, that's the kind of like concept that I'm looking for. So hopefully it comes out because I'm not a professional at all. But I did not want to spend $180 and some just to get my hair dyed, retwist and styled. I just feel like that's just too much. I can do my own dye and then I can just get my hair retwisted and styled from my stylist. But so I'm gonna put this in right now. I have not mixed it yet, so you guys get to see me mix. So you put, this is the Rich Conditioning Color. This is the actual color. And then this is the Cream Developer. So they say to put this inside of here, shake well, and then put it on the hair, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. And then depending how it develops and lifts the hair, then I'll go in with this if my ends aren't light enough. So this is like 2 shades lighter than what I just showed you. And this is the light golden blonde from Dark and Lovely. And both of these are permanent colors. All right, so now let's go in and start doing the dye. So let's go in the bathroom because I don't want to make a mess in the kitchen. And we'll get started. All right. Ah, I'm so scared. So I'm starting at all the ends first. That's where I want it to be the lightest, and then work my way up because I've seen so many videos. They were all starting at their roots, and then their roots were so much lighter than the bottom, and I don't want that look. And I'm squeezing so it gets all through the locks as well because I don't want any weird spots in the hair either. Babe, it's lightening my ends already. Can you tell in the front?
Oh, yeah.
See it lightening?
Ah! This is so scary.
I'm just getting another bottle. Go through top here. Seems like I'm taking so long to do this, but. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm about to set the timer. And I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna check it, see how the color is, and then I'll do it for another 15 minutes. So I'll keep doing every 15 minutes until I achieve the color that I want. So I'll get back to you guys soon. Oh, and just if you didn't catch it, I did use 2 boxes of the Sun Kissed Blonde Dark and Lovely color, okay? So I had to use 2 boxes. So why does dyeing your hair feel like you're getting a perm? It's all tingly on my scalp. Ooh. But yeah, you guys can see in the light, kind of lightening up a little bit. So, it's so exciting, and I just can't hide it. Oh, guys, how did y'all let me forget my plastic cap? All covered in the back. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna stop it here and I'm gonna wash it out. It gave me my natural effect here that I want. I didn't want harsh, like straight lines with it, but I think it did really good. So this is what it looks like. And then probably like in another 2 weeks, I'll do the ends with the lighter color that I showed you. And then hopefully that'll lighten up the ends a little bit. So I can, you know, get the bright like frosted tips. So we'll see what happens, but I'm about to wash it out. And the way that you applied it, whatever parts that you started with, those are the parts that you should wash out first. My mother-in-law did just give me that tip because she used to be a hairdresser. So she said whatever parts that you started with dyeing, you start washing those parts out first. So I'm gonna go ahead, and then I did just go to Walmart. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so I just bought these products here. This is the Not Your Mother's Tone and Repair Blonde Moment Purple Shampoo to kind of tone it a little bit. And I'm gonna follow up with the conditioner. So I'll wash with the shampoo first, and then I'll go in with the conditioner, okay? And then I'll go in with the conditioners from the actual box from the hair dye. So let's go ahead and get started with washing it out. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. I don't have my retwist or anything. I don't know if I like this color on me. It looks more like a ginger, like a dark ginger to me. I think I just have to get used to it. But once I get it retwisted, I will, you know, videotape that and vlog that so that way you guys can see the finishing look or finished look. But for right now, this is what I'm looking like. So now, what do you guys think? I don't know if it fits me. I still would definitely want to go lighter at the bottoms. Maybe bring it up here and let it go down, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know. And then I don't have no makeup. Yeah, so we'll see. Okay, guys, so this is like 3 days after, but I got my hair done yesterday. So this is the official color. And I love it. But yeah, it's so cute. This is supposed to be more up like that, but I like it.
And me too.
They haven't seen you in a long time, right, King? Say hi, Mother's Teach.
I like your teeth. Boing, 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 boing.